Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my December Ipsy. This is not the look I created. I wanted to film these next few Ipsy videos a little bit differently because I'm lazy. But let me know how you guys liked it, like this type of filming. And also, we have a new setup. I rearranged my room and this is the new background that we're going to be having for my sit down videos. If you guys want to know what I got in my December Ipsy bag and how I liked it, or like all my first impressions of it, just keep on watching. We're gonna go into the first product of our December Ipsy bag, and we're using this beauty water from Sun Park, and it says a smart cleansing liquid made from natural plant extracts that gently cleanse, exfoliates, and moisturizes. I can never say that word. To deliver smooth, revitalized, healthy skin. It's heavily fragrance, so if you guys are sensitive to fragrance, probably wouldn't recommend. The next thing is the TonyMoly, the Chok green tea water cream. I don't know how you say it, but it's this. So smooth. And it's not one of those like gel moisturizers that like make your skin feel like tacky and stuff. At least from like first impressions, it literally feels like you're putting water on your skin and it feels amazing. But again, it does have some fragrance to it, so if you guys are like sensitive to fragrances, these two probably won't really work for you. I'm just gonna do one eye. This is just mainly, I just want to test the products. Third product is this NYX Faux Blacks inner eyeliner in the shade Black Olive. But I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. I'm just blending it out with my finger, just like it doesn't want to blend. Cute. So we're not going to blend this. I'm just going to apply this to the lid. My skin kind of feels tacky. I'm making a cut crease, I guess, with this liner. So we have this. I'm sure if I was doing like an actual look, this wouldn't look so weird. But I'm literally just gonna take it off in like a few minutes. So we're gonna try the next two products together. So the last two actual product is this City Color Shimmer shadow in the shade It's a Girl. And then I'm gonna apply that with the last product, and it's the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. This shadow is like very densely packed, and so like there is like zero fallout. But we're just gonna apply this to the lid on top of that green shadow. Try to blend this a little bit. If you guys want me to like actually try a look using this like technique but way better, let me know, because I can attempt to do that. I just want to test out the products, and then if you guys want an actual tutorial with me actually trying, then I can do that. I'm just gonna apply this shadow to this eye without anything, just to see how that looks. Again, if you guys want me to do like a video where I actually try and make the look good, well, let me know. Anyways, that was my first impressions on my December Ipsy bag. We're finally at the end of 2017 Ipsy bag videos. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is under Sassy Maddie YT, same as spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Let me know what you got in your December Ipsy bag, even though we're way past December. But let me know anyways, and let me know what you guys thought of it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.